In the last video, we were exploring the lava ruins of San Juan Viejo and seeing one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. So welcome back. If you're just joining us, our trip is continuing in Uruapan, located in Michoacan state. So join me as we explore the downtown area of Uruapan, taking all of the Day of the Dead festivities. We'll be exploring the city square, taking in the nighttime scenery, and of course, trying the local foods. So we're here in Uruapan, in the downtown square. I assume there is tons of Dia de Muertos decorations. Yeah. So first things first, tamales y elotitos. All right. So we're going to make our way through this maze, and come on and join us on this because this is pretty freaking epic. I mean, the amounts, and this is only half of it. 16 Festival de Velas. Velas.
Festival of Candles.
Although it looks like some of the things have. Oh, it's a skull. Okay. From the other side. Wow. With maize. This is so cool. It is. Wow. It's looking good. Right.
We're looking for food.
We're looking for food too? Yeah. Ah, nice. All right. Found the market. Along with the skulls. So that really is the pathway, right? El Paso.
It's closed.
Oh, it's closed. Oh, watch out. Okay. I'm sure we can find some good tamalitos out here. See that? Oh, and the panther too here. That'd be a good picture if you can get it. And 12. That's no helado. It is, isn't it? Picture? Seems to be where the gringos are coming from. Jesus, everybody's waving their menus. It seems like this is where everybody is. Like everybody there's waving the menus, and everybody's here on the left. Oh, there's your menudo. Tamales. Sí. Tamales. I thought that's what we were going for.
See, I wanted to see if they have another less crowded.
I see. Do the people over there have tamales? I mean, this girl does. Tamales ahí.
¿Tiene tamales? ¿Es qué?
Tamales de elote que están con crema, salsa y queso.
Uchepos.
Yep.
Okay.
What was it?
Uchepos, the thing that I wanted to have for breakfast. Do you want it?
Yeah, we can have it. And then we got elotes later.
¿Nos pone uno y uno? ¿Uchepos? Sí.
See, as you can tell, it is very aggressive here. I've never seen this.
¿Qué?
The people like waving their menus for you to come there. I mean, outside of like port cities or like very tourist
Crema,
areas.
salsa y queso.
Sí, con todo.
But yeah, as you can see, I'm about to shout out on this and get back to you though, because I'm starving. It's been a couple hours. We've only had Jack Daniels and Jack Daniels vending.
Tamal de elote with cheese, sour cream, and salsa verde.
Nice.
It's like a mix of salty and sweet.
Oh, nice. Okay, so it's the elote on the inside. Oh my god, I can't wait to chow down on this. So what you'll notice on this is the elotito is soft, like the tamale is soft. It's a little bit mushy on the inside. Almost like a cornmeal, but not quite. But it's super good with the crema, the salsa, and of course with the queso on top.
Atole de zarzamora y tamarindo. Wow, I never saw that. Quiero.
Let's go get some. So a lot of this is traditional. Next up is the corundas. We're gonna try those, like tamalitos that are in balls, and maybe with some meat on top. So unfortunately the camudos were sold out, so we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow. But we did come across some really good atoles. Yes. So I'm loving the traditional food here. So we got tamarindo and charcoal cacao. So not really sure exactly what it is, but it does taste good. I mean, it's charcoal chocolate.
Atole negro.
Yeah, sold as atole negro, so it's really, really good. So now we're going to try to see what else we can find here. There seems to be a lot down this street too. Hotcakes.
No, we can do traditional.
It could be traditional hotcakes. No. So as the night set in, we did a little more sightseeing in the main plaza, taking in all the Day of the Dead festivities and decorations. And Unfortunately, there was only a couple of clips that were viable, but as you can see here, it was truly a spectacle.
So I know elotitos or tamales, like they're totally missing here. Just interesting in its own right.
There it is. This is
Oh.
a Lotito place in Haveline.
Oh, we did find the elotito place. See, the place, the skull actually guided you. You just did not listen to it. All right. Elotitos is gonna be. So I forgot to mention atole, which is kind of like a cornmeal, right? It's cornmeal. It's mixed fruit, cornmeal. It's almost like a hot chocolate, but thicker and with different flavors. So elotito was a success. So we got elote, which is corn, cheese with mayo, and then also mixed in is some
Sour cream.
somewhat
Sour cream.
sour cream. Okay, and so we have the Japanese peanuts with salsa, which I'm assuming is spicy.
It is. Drink atole.
I'm about to sneeze. I just have this natural bodily function that when I eat something hot and I don't have enough water in my stomach, I automatically get the hiccups. And those roasted peanuts have been soaking in some homemade hot sauce. It was so good. It's all about the toppings. The elotito's fine with some limon, but it's all about the spice level. Throw some spices, some toppings on there, getting it done. So we're going to enjoy this and maybe call it a night, but I think we're going to make another round because we're gorditos and why else?
I saw gazpacho over there. And I went.
There'll probably be another chapter there. I'm going to enjoy this and catch you there. So it didn't take long to get to Gazpachos, which were just across the street. And someone's happy. I mean, someone did not want them to be here, but... but they do have them, so we're going to chow down. Oh, it was the last one, so as Gordito luck would have it. So what do we have? This is a gazpacho with cheese going everywhere.
His fruit have pineapple, melon, sandía.
Is that marico?
No.
No, it's watermelon. Yeah, you're right. So you can also get these spicy picante. So
But since we already had the lotito.
yeah, since we already had the lotita and everything else. Oh, and cucumber. So we're going to finish the night on this and get up tomorrow and see a volcano. Fingers crossed. Yep. Okay. So let's call it a night here and hop on the road again in the morning. So join you in the next round.
Thank you so much for joining us as we explored Uruapan and took in some of the local cuisine. Join us in the next video of this series for another day here, walking around and being foodies before we head north. Please leave a like and comment, and if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.